So we're going to go over some basic shots. What I want to go over is a wide, medium, close, and extreme close-up, and then we'll kind of dive into what you can say within those shots. Those are the basic ways of shooting things, and you can kind of use that to communicate to people. So here, let's record with this camera right here. I have a C100 with a 24-70. We'll roll the camera here so Phil can cut in, and we can see that this is our first wide shot. There's not much information. It's a nice structure. We can see there's a cup on a table. It's really, wide shots are really great to really set the scene and understand exactly what you're doing. We're at 24, we're at a 2.8 so you can see, and you can really see the expansive storytelling of what's about to happen. Typically you can start with that shot. So let's go to a medium shot next. So we just zoomed in. I zoomed in to about between a 35 and a 50, and this is more of a medium shot. So you can see here, we see the cup as a medium shot where we're not really seeing the background, but we kind of see the whole of the subject. On a person, a medium would probably be more on what you're seeing with me right now. We'll show you some examples of a medium shot. With a person, you can kind of see it cuts off either around the waist or a little bit lower. In a two shot of two people, you can see where it cuts off at their waist, and that's sort of a medium two shot. So now let's look at our cup and let's do a close-up. So here I'm going to take our 24-70, I'm going to zoom all the way into 70. I'm actually going to move the cup just a little closer, and you can see here now, this is our close-up of the cup. You can see the cup is very expressive. Here you can see that we're pretty tight, we're pretty close up, and imagine if it's a person, it's going to be more tight like this, and you'll be able to really see what the person is expressing, what they're saying, and you can kind of get involved with really intimate space. Next, let's go into an extreme close-up. So this is an extreme close-up. You can see I'm really tight here on the cup now, and really you can kind of see the focus going in and out because we're really that close on the cup. Typically this is used for inserts of a pin or someone's eyes, really just to really get in there and get intimate and understand exactly what's going on. You can see all the little intricate movements and everything like that. Extreme close-ups are really fun. They're good for inserts. They're like when you see that key into the door or that guy breaking the lock that's coming in. They're really fun to cut away to. So those are the basic shots that you need to really cover a scene. The idea that you would use those shots to really make sure that you've got your structure for the editor to kind of get in and get what you need to cover a scene is great. Now within those shots, that's when you want to start to kind of play around and use your composition to say things. Now let's go back to the wide. You see I have a wide here of the cup. This was kind of our standard wide before, but now what happens if we pan all the way to the right, and let's tilt down a little bit, and now our cup is all the way on the left. It's a little rickety because it's tripod, but you can see they're all the way on the left. Now that frame says, that composition says a lot more than when it's centered, right? There's all this space on the right. It kind of seems lonely. It really says a lot more and really can kind of you can kind of see where the story comes up. Alternatively, if we zoom back into kind of our close-up and we did the same thing where we just cut off the cup maybe just halfway through, there's a famous shot of this in Ali movie with Will Smith, where they cut just his face off like that, and there's a bunch of action going on the right side. Again, this is a little more interesting, a little more artsy, and it kind of says more to the person when they're looking at that frame. So you want to use your compositions in a way where you still want to cover the wide, medium, close, but you also want them to say something. This, again, I feel like the cup's a little lonely. We're kind of moving things to the side, so it says a little more. Something like a dock or a wedding or something might be fun to just see the bride just putting just the front of her face, putting on makeup and stuff, and maybe something in the background to say a little bit more than just centering them up. Centering them up isn't necessarily always going to say something, although it does have its moments. What if we tilt up and we just show the top? What's really fun about this is in a commercial now, if we're shooting a commercial, we have room to put graphics up above, right? So keep in mind when you're composing shots, if you need to do something or add something in post, you can always make room for that later, or you can kind of see that there's just this really sad little cup there and centered. I do like a lot of symmetrical things, more for commercial aspect, but it kind of depends again on what you're shooting, what you're trying to say, and how you want to say it with your compositions. Just remember that your composition can say a lot.